Good day, my classmates. This is my presentation about my neighborhood. I'm going to read my text and then I'm going to show you the images. I'm going talking about it. I live in a set of apartments. There are more or less 350 apartments. I live in the floor 4, apartment 421. Really, I don't talk with my neighbors, just the greeting. The set of apartments is located in Bogotá, Fontibón. My neighborhood is called Villamar. In front of them, there are a college called Teresita de Lisieux. In this sector, there are many sets of apartments. There are a park to children, but we have to another park near us. In Fontibón, we have to market square. We have to buy our fruits and vegetables. And another place we have is a church. Each Sunday, my family and I go to pray. My neighborhood is a place quiet, but sometimes there is people who like the things that don't belong to them. I mean thieves, like anywhere else. So there is a police near to our set of apartments. They help us when we need it. Finally, I love living in this place. There is an administrator who is in charge. We have many plants and flowers. My neighbors have a dog and my kids have 2 cats. Their names are Kila and Chloe. This is my images. This is a photo of my neighborhood. This is a photo of a college Teresita de Lisieux. And this is a park for the children. And this is our market square. I showed you. This is our church. And finally, this is our cats. This is Chloe and this is Kila. I love it. Thank you very much for your attention and no more. Thanks.